You see, the world is very time conscious. So many of us have things to do. The world keeps revolving around, so many activities. And so step 2 is a very simple thing. Simply decide how much time do I have to accomplish the goal I've set. Number 1, remember, you write down your goal. Write down a short paragraph stating why is this goal important. Step 2, set out how much time you want to spend. If you have a goal to finish an online course, do you have how many days? Do you have how many hours? Do you have how many minutes? If you want to accomplish a small task that is very, very essential, that you concentrate, how many hours do you want to spend on it? If you're trying to get to the bottom of an algorithm, or you're trying to finish up an assignment, or your plan is even to organize for a program, for an event, if it's a conference you're trying to package, how much time are you allocating? That's step 2. Remember, they're very simple steps. Watch out for the next video for the next step 3.